Hello, today's Tech Bite is adding a printer. I get a lot of questions about how to add a printer, and it's really quite simple, but there's one little hiccup to it that people seem to keep missing. Normally, you need to type add printer down here in the bottom left in this search box. You type add printer, and when you click it, this comes up for a lot of people. It says client login, you try and press install, and then it asks you for admin name and password, and you can't get past this screen. That's because it's using Microsoft Edge as your browser, and it's not working in Microsoft Edge. Really, you need it to take this URL, this web address, you need to click it, copy it, Control C to copy it. Down here in this box, you need to type Internet Explorer. And this is the program you need, Internet Explorer. This light blue E with the halo around it, not this other dark blue E. I know it's confusing, but there are two different internet browsers, and the Add Printer program really only works in Internet Explorer. It works in Chrome. Once you have installed that browser, you're able to install that program, that add-on, and it works. But for the most part, you can just open Internet Explorer and then you paste that link, and I'll put that link down in the comments, and then it works. That's the key. You need to type add printer and you need this link, but you need it in Internet Explorer, not Edge. This is Edge. And from there, you just go down, you find your school, Vogelway, you find your building, you find your printer. They're listed by room numbers. You find your printer, you click it, you want to install. Yes, if this is your primary printer in your room next to your computer, or the one that you're going to be using mostly, go ahead and click use default printer. I'm not going to. You want to install this printer? Yes. And then it will go through a series of little check marks, and that will be